I'm here with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. I'm going to be throwing it up in the air here and catching it 3.5 kilometers down the promenade on the beach. Not only that, I'm going to be racing it with my car to make sure I get there in time to catch it. Yes, you're not imagining things. The dubbing, it doesn't match up. I had to re-record all of the audio as it was just far too windy. How are we going to be doing this challenge safely? I've got a pilot here at this end of the promenade and a pilot on the beach at the other end. Both of them have got a control. They're going to have a clear line of sight on the drone the entire time so they can control it if anything bad happens. I've also got a control so that I can pilot down to land and safely catch it. As I said, this is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. DJI sent it to me to test, to review, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. As I mentioned, it's windy and it has been raining, so we're going to be putting it through its paces. At just 249 grams, it comes under the UK limit of 250 grams, which means we can safely fly it without any regulations. So, without any further ado, we're going to turn on the propellers, and I'm going to let go of the drone, throwing it in the air. As you can see, the drone is just above me and behind me, and it's ready to fly. The next 8 to 9 minutes of this video are basically the drone footage of it flying the 3.5 kilometers down to the other end of the beach. It's been put to some nice relaxing music, and it's some really nice footage of the town of Hartlepool. It's a nice seaside town, and you can see over the sea and the beach and the promenade all the way along there. You'll also see me in the car, which I point out as I race alongside it. If you don't want to watch that, you can click the card above to skip to the end. I did run into some trouble while trying to catch the drone, so we'll take you straight there into the action.
Beach. The DJI Mini 4 Pro back in our hands. You see on the footage there a little bit of a fight with it in the end, some of it between the wind and the obstacle avoidance. It didn't really want to come to me for me to catch it, but here we are, safe and sound, 3.5 kilometres away from the starting point, thrown and gone.